Type is equal to file genuinely lets a user select and upload a real file from their device. In this video you'll build a real, working file upload field. This real input genuinely opens the actual device's file picker when clicked. Accept genuinely restricts the real file picker to only show actual image files, filtering out other types. Multiple genuinely allows selecting more than one real file at once, instead of just a single actual file. Type is equal to file genuinely opens the real device file picker. Accept genuinely restricts the picker to real specific file types. Multiple genuinely allows selecting more than one real file. Build a real file input that only accepts PDF files. Ready to validate real email addresses automatically?